the Modi government is here to stay for 10 to 20 years. BJP President Amit Shah asserted at the opening session of the BJP's National Executive Meet, setting the tone for the meet in Bengaluru that aims at making inroads into the political landscape of the South apart from drawing up a national agenda for the party. Shah's inaugural speech highlighted the government's achievements on the one hand and attacked the Congress at various levels on the other. Top leaders of the party, including veteran leader L.K. Advani among others, were present at the two-day meet which began today in Bengaluru.
The party felicitated National President Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi for taking the party to the new height, because today BJP has become the biggest party in the world with 9.25 crore members. It's a huge thing which has happened.
Seeking to counter the opposition's charge that the land bill was anti-farmer, Amit Shah rallied the rank and file, stressing that the controversial bill was pro-farmer and that the government was committed to the welfare of peasants. He mounted a blistering attack on the Congress and other opposition parties, accusing them of spreading misgivings and confusion about the bill.
विपक्ष आज हताश है, निराश है, दिशाहीन है। जो हमारे है नहीं ऐसे कमियों को ढूंढ रहा है, जो दोष है नहीं उसकी बात कर रहा है। अध्यक्ष जी ने कहा जो हमारी दोष नहीं है उन कमियों को, जो नहीं है ऐसे दो कमियों को ढूंढो मत, ढूंढना है तो अपने नेता को ढूंढो।
Recounting the achievements of the government under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, Amit Shah said corruption had been minimized and development maximized. He claimed that prices had gone down and transparency in administration had increased. Shah targeted the Congress over coal allocations and lauded the government's e-governance initiatives. He also congratulated the party for becoming the world's largest political party. Referring to the upcoming Bihar elections, Amit Shah said the party's aim was to rid the state of Jungle Raj Part 2 under Nitish Kumar. 2 programs were announced, one of which is a mega contact program aimed to increase active members in the party. A program to train over 15 lakh members will also be launched. The party has also announced a list of things to do for party workers, which includes making India a manual scavenging free country and taking forward Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign. The Swachh Bharat and Namami Gange missions will also be taken to the masses. The meet also saw Prime Minister Modi's foreign policy being lauded.
The 5 pillars on which the new foreign policy has been established: Samman, dignity and honor; Samvad, greater engagement and dialogue; Samriddhi, shared prosperity; Suraksha, there can be no prosperity without peace; regional and global security; and Sanskriti evam Sabhyata.
The BJP National Executive Meet holds special significance as it is the first such meet after the party assumed power at the centre.
Outlining the roadmap for the party in the National Executive Meet, the President of BJP, Amit Shah, clearly stressed upon the need for translating the newly acquired 10 crore membership into a powerful man force to build the party further stronger across the country. And his stress on giving the social responsibility to the members also indicates the fact that the party now wants to bridge the gap between the government and the people and bring people more closer to the government through the party. With Rajesh Raj and cameraman Chidanand, Asha Khanam, DD News, Bangalore.